everyone, Diana D here, and I got some happy mail yesterday, and just now having time to show this with everybody. I had won a giveaway on Dee's Creative Hands channel, and I'll put her information in the description box below. If you've not seen her, go check out her channel. She does some really cool things there, and she's a really nice person, and I think you'd like it over there. But this is what I got. I got this bag. It's got a pocket on the front, it's got pockets in the back, pockets on the ends, and then in the top there's holes for the yarn to come out. And inside the bag is, sorry about the crinkles, these little squares that she got on Temu. She got them and said that she thought they would be good squares for starters. You get these that's already started and you just add to it. I think that's a really good idea. And then there's this ink pen, a blue rose with some fur around it. And then there's also these crochet hooks. Aren't them neat looking? And here's the yarn. I got all Noro yarn. I've never had Noro yarn. I can't wait to use it, and this is what I ended up getting. It says Noro, the world of nature made in Japan. 100% wool. Color number is 95. 50 grams. And I don't think it tells me the yards, but this is the color of this one. So pretty. And then there's this one here, and there's no label on this one, but it's really pretty. And this one, and it says Noro Silk Garden Light, 137 yards, 50 grams, DK weight. Use a 6 to 8 or 4.0 to 5 millimeter needles, 45% silk, 45% kid mohair, and 10% lamb's wool. And this is the color. Look at that. Like I said, I can't wait to use this and make something. Alright, and then there's this one. Colors 3, La A. Teo Sport, it says. 100 grams, 320 meters. Really small print. I see 15% silk, 60% cotton, 15% wool, and 10%, I can't tell what the 10% is, sorry. But this is the color. Look how gorgeous that is. So pretty. And that's what that looks like. And then there's this one. This is the same as that one I just showed you. I'm trying to block that ceiling light, but isn't that pretty? Here's another one with no label. Very pretty colors. Here's one that's color 95 lot Q, 100% wool, 50 grams, and look at those colors. Very pretty. And the last one is color 95 lot I, 100% wool, 50 grams, and that's the color. So all of them are going to be so awesome to work with. I just know it. And in the bag also is a yarn holder. It's one of them you put on your wrist, and you put the ball of yarn on it, and you can crochet on the go. And there's a craft kit in here to make a donut. Marilee's gonna love making that. There's a little notebook with ink pen, and it says, "May you be proud of the work you do, the person you are, and the difference you make." I love that. Alright, now here is the notions pouch. There's a little tin, and in the tin is little label or leather labels or tags, stitch markers, and some wooden buttons. These are really nice and handy to have for sure. Alright, and then there's two stitch markers in this bag. This one's a little Valentine's gnome. Whoops. Isn't he cute? And then a pink heart. Super cute. I finally got one of those zippers to make a crochet a bag with. I can't wait to try that too. Here's a bracelet that she made. Pink and clear. Really cute hearts on it. Here's a bookmark she made. It says, "Much love, my friend." Super cute. And here's a zipper pull. And here's a pair of scissors. I don't know if you can see them. And this is a lanyard. Or I'm kind of wondering if it's maybe a shoulder strap for the bag. If it's not, it would probably work for that purpose. There's a tape measure. And then this is a row counter. I really like that. That's going to come in handy when I start making my queen size quilt. Look at that great big darning needle. And then some smaller ones. This is another item that Dee has made. And she signed the back of her little wooden things that she's made, but that is super cute. It's got the tassel that hangs from it. And the necklace. Really pretty. There's some stickers. A piece pin. And a couple more darning needles. And that's all in this notions bag. And her makes comes in this little cloth bag right here, and then there's another bookmark in there that's crocheted. Super cute. So this is a giveaway that I won on Dee's channel, and I can't wait to use the yarn and the notions that she put in here. I'm super excited about all of those, and I'm going to link her information in the description box below, and go check her out if you got time, and subscribe if you think you'll like it there. I think you'll like it there. There's quite a few of us that enjoy going there and seeing her videos every week. And everyone have a great night. Stay safe and stay warm. And I will see you on the YouTube streets. Bye for now.